The roar of the deep. Sound in the Mariana Trench, they expected silence. The deep had other plans. In 2015, scientists lowered a hydrophone nearly 7 miles beneath the ocean surface. Into the darkest depths of the Mariana Trench, this is the deepest known point on Earth. A place so remote and extreme that researchers believed it would be silent. They imagined stillness, a void untouched by the noise of the world above. But the deep didn't whisper. It roared. A symphony in darkness from that abyss, the hydrophone captured a chorus of sounds that stunned researchers. There was the crack of distant earthquakes reverberating through the ocean floor. The low hum of cargo ships, their engines miles away yet still audible in the trench. The haunting songs of whales echoing through liquid darkness, carrying communication across unimaginable distances, and most shockingly, the raging howl of a Category 4 typhoon. Heard from far above the surface, the deepest part of our planet wasn't quiet, it was alive. Why? Sound survives where light cannot. The Mariana Trench is a place of extremes. Pressure there is more than 1,000 times what we experience at sea level enough to crush steel. Sunlight never penetrates its depths, yet sound. Unlike light, travels efficiently through water, it moves faster and farther. Bouncing off surfaces and carrying energy across vast distances, this is why the trench, though cloaked in darkness, pulses with sound. The ocean acts as a conductor, amplifying and transmitting vibrations from both near and far. What scientists discovered was not silence, but a symphony, a reminder that Earth is never truly still. The shock of discovery for researchers. The recordings were a revelation. They had expected quiet isolation, a place cut off from the rhythms of the planet. Instead, they found connection. The trench was not a void but a resonant chamber, alive with the movements of Earth and the activities of humanity. The discovery challenged assumptions about the deep ocean. It showed that even in the most remote places, the planet's energy is present. Earthquakes, storms, and human industry all leave their mark, carried by sound into the farthest reaches of the sea. The human echo, one of the most striking elements of the recordings, was the hum of cargo ships. Even 7 miles down, the trench carried the vibrations of human activity. This was both fascinating and sobering. It revealed how deeply our presence reaches into the natural world. The ocean, vast as it is, cannot escape the echoes of industry. At the same time, the whale songs reminded scientists of the resilience of life. These haunting calls carried across oceans are proof of communication and connection among creatures that thrive in the deep. They are voices of survival, echoing through the same waters that carry the noise of humanity, nature's power. Perhaps the most awe-inspiring sound was the howl of a typhoon. A storm raging far above the surface was heard in the trench, its energy transmitted through water. This was a reminder of nature's immense power, of the way storms can shake not only the skies, but the deepest parts of the ocean. It was proof that the trench is not isolated but part of a larger system, connected to the rhythms of Earth's atmosphere and geology. A living planet, the recordings from the Mariana Trench reminded researchers that even at the edge of Earth's reach, the world is moving, singing, shifting. A place once seen as still now pulses with untold energy. The trench is not a silent abyss, but a living part of the planet's story. It is a reminder that Earth breathes in ways we cannot always see. That sound carries stories across distances, connecting the surface to the depths, the storms to the silence, the human to the natural.